The Special Institutional Revision, or SIR, is designed to link your current voter status with your family's 2002 or 2003 records.
You can complete this process online at voters.eci.gov.in. Simply log in with your credentials to access the digital form.
Before you start, ensure you have a recent passport photo and your family's old voter records ready.
Section 1 contains your pre-printed details. Verify these carefully. And paste your photo in the designated box on the right.
In Section 2, enter your date of birth and mobile number. Don't forget to include the EPIC number of your parent or spouse for verification.
Section 3 is crucial. You must choose whether you are linking the record to yourself or to your parents and grandparents. Finally, sign the form at the bottom. This confirms that all the information provided accurate to your knowledge.
For any help, call 1950. Subscribe for more updates on Haryana's electoral process. Thank you for being a responsible voter.